garlands over. Oh, hey super kids. I am so excited to see you. It is only a few days away from Queen Dee's Fancy Friendsgiving Feast. You're coming, right? Okay, I've already done most of the planning, made the food, and put up some decorations. Can I tell you something, super kids? I'm feeling a little funny, like butterflies in my tummy. And oh, don't get me wrong, I love butterflies, just not in my tummy. You know, I think I might be feeling a little stressed about planning the fancy Friendsgiving feast. How can I relax? Oh, I know. I'll make a mandala. I'll explain more in a minute. Let's check out the super plan. We're going to start this experience by collecting some recycled materials. Then we're going to make a circle. After that, we'll arrange them to make some beautiful patterns. And finally, we'll make it super. Here is what you'll need. Small recycled materials like bottle caps, buttons, plastic forks, spoons, or even pieces of pasta. Construction paper. A circular shaped object to trace, like a paper plate or a large jar. A pencil. Scissors. Tape and glue. And coloring supplies. If you need more time to gather your supplies, pause here. All right, are you ready to make your mandala? A mandala is a very special design, and making one can be very peaceful and calming. So, let's start this experience by hunting for our materials. Now, look around your house for some recycled materials. Think buttons, bottle caps, straws, you name it. Super tip. Let's try and find some objects in sets. So a few things that kind of go together. Maybe 6 or 7 bottle caps that are the same or different. Or a set of plastic forks or spoons. If you want to shake things up a little, you could even use some natural materials like flowers or leaves. Press pause if you need more time. Step 2. Trace the circle. What's your favorite shape, super kids? Mine is a circle because it goes around and around and around, like the sun and the moon and the universe. Oh, and like the Thanksgiving cookies I made for the party. Well, circles are very special shapes. That's why most mandalas start with them. Let's start our mandala with a circle. Place your circle-shaped object on your paper and trace it. This will be the base of your mandala. Now, I'm going to fill my circle with some little doodles. Whenever I start to feel stressed, one of my favorite things to do is draw a special kind of doodle called a zentangle. Zentangles are repeated patterns to create a design. Drawing zentangles can be so relaxing. Just find a cozy spot, maybe put on some relaxing tunes, and go for it. When you're done, cut out your circle. If you need some more time to draw your zentangles and cut out your circle, press pause. Let's arrange the materials for our mandala. Have a look at your recycled materials and pick out what you think is the most super object. Take your time. This can be a hard decision to make, but don't stress. You can always change your mind. Once you've made your decision, place the most super object at the center of the circle. Now it's time to create your mandala patterns. Arrange objects around the mandala to create repeating patterns. Play around with different arrangements. The best part about making my mandala is that I can change it as many times as I want. I can add new objects, or take away some objects, or rearrange them. And no matter what, my mandala will be special. Press pause if you need more time. Let's go ahead and make it super. Pick your favorite design of the day. This one gets to stick to the mandala forever. Once you're sure, stick the objects down onto the mandala using tape or glue. What else could you add to your mandala to make it super? Are there any empty spaces? Maybe you want to add some designs. Or use your coloring supplies to color on some of the objects. Maybe you have some decorative items you want to add to make it pop even more. You could keep going forever. Oh, but don't miss my Friendsgiving feast. Press pause if you need more time. Wow, super kids. Isn't it amazing? We made these mandalas using only recycled materials? Just goes to show there's beauty in everything, even in the things we want to throw away. When you're finished, you can send me a picture at hello@supernow.com. The butterflies, they flew away. I was so busy making my mandala, I didn't even realize. I'll see you next time.